Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here a new topic, chapter 4, determinants. First of things we will how to find out the determinant, and next after that we'll discuss here property of the determinants. Yes, now look here. New topic your determinant. Determinant. Determinant symbol, the determinant symbol of the determinant here del. Otherwise you can represent this determinant. Suppose any matrix is determinant A. Otherwise you can represent this det determinant del A. So this is symbol of the determinant. Suppose any matrix of given here A, B, C and D. Any matrix here given A, B, C, D here. Or determine. Suppose you have required here the fixed value of this matrix. Then you will not directly in matrix form you will not find here. When you convert in this matrix in the determinant form, then you can find value of the determinant value. Otherwise, second thing, suppose any matrix B here given, and here write A, B, C, D, E, F. And suppose you have required this matrix also, the fixed value of this. What is the fixed value of this determinant? What is the fixed value of this matrix? Then you will not find it, because this is not the square matrix. You can, it means you can find the determinant value of the only square matrix. Those matrix in the square matrix you can find in the determinant value. Those matrix are not the square matrix, you cannot find the determinant value. It means those matrix means same row and column. What is the square matrix? Those having the row and column is the same. This is square matrix. Suppose 2 into 2 order, but this is the 2 into 3 order. So this is not square matrix. This is the square matrix, because this matrix having the row and column is the same. 2 row and 2 column. Suppose 3 row and 3 column. The 3 into 3 order also is called here square matrix. So suppose you have required here fixed value. What is the fixed value of this determinant? So then you can find convert in the determinant form. So then you will write here A, B, C and D in this way. So this matrix, first of all you convert in this form. This is the form of the determinant. This determinant you can represent in this determinant A. Otherwise you can del. Otherwise that determinant A. This is short form of determinant A. You can represent this way. After that, how to find out the determinant here? So first of all, you will suppose this determinant, this you can multiply. This is a 2 into 2 order. 2 into 2 order. Then you can multiply by A into D plus minus minus and B into C. So first we multiply this way, A into D. Then you can multiply here B into C. Then you can B into D. In this way you can find the determinant of the only second order matrix. First you multiply the A into D, after then you multiply B into C minus B into C. You can solve this and you get the value of the determinant. Next things, some books have that this is not the symbol of the modulus. This is not symbol of the modulus, this is symbol of the determinant symbol. In this topic you will read this symbol as a determinant, not as a modulus sign. So this sign in this topic, this sign will be not a modulus sign. In this topic, determinant sign, in this name of this sign is a determinant. Second things, how to find out the determinant in this, suppose 3 into 3 order determinant. Now first, suppose any matrix B having your 3 into 3 order matrix. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H or I. Suppose any elements of the any matrix. This matrix are given in the 3 into 3 order. So this is the square matrix. So how to find of the determinant value of this matrix? So first of all you will be convert this matrix into determinant form. Same. A, B, C, D, E, F and G, H, I. First of all, you convert in this way. After that, you can find this determinant value of this matrix. You can find the determinant of this matrix here in 6 way. You can find the suppose along the R1, R2, R3. The 3 way you have the find the determinant the R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, and R3. Anyone. You can find the value of determinant in this matrix along the R1, otherwise along to R2, otherwise along to R3. The 3 way R1, R2, and R3. Anyone. Otherwise C1, C2, and C3. The total value are 6 way. Suppose you find the determinant value of the along the R1. The answer will become same when you find the R2. Yeah, otherwise you can find answer same R3. Answer same will be C1. Answer same will be C2. Answer same will be C3. So you will find anyone. This is a 6 way. You will find anyone. Expand the determinant anyone R1, R2, R3, anyone. So you will get the same answer of the anyone when expand the determinant. Yes. Second things. What is the value of this? First of all, you will keep in the plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Keep this sign keep in the mind. The first value address of this element is 1, 1. The sign of this plus. Second things, what is the sign of this? A12. This is the minus sign, and this one is the A13. This sign is the plus. So these sign table keep in the mind when you expanding any row or any column. Suppose you are expanding along this way, to keep this sign in mind. Suppose you expand along this way, to keep this sign in mind. Or suppose you expand this way, column, just keep this sign in mind. Similarly, R1, R2, and R3. Next things here. Suppose you have expanding along to R1. Suppose you have expanding along to R1 here, expanding along R1. Suppose you are expanding along R1. So what value of the determinant here? So now you check this. What value of the determinant here? Now look here. When expanding R1. So now look here first. So first you will take here A. This, what sign of this element is plus sign. So you will write here A. After that you will be this row and this column will be hide here. What is left? E, F, and H, I. E, F, and H, I. Now look at first. Suppose we are expanding along R1. Then first, what sign of this? This sign is the plus sign. So then you write here plus sign. Then you write this value here. So this row and this column will be hide. What is the left here? 4 elements E, F, H, I. After that, sign of this B here, minus sign here. So this minus B. This is a minus B. The first row or second column will be hide. When you taking this element, the first row and second column will be hide. What is the left element? D, F, H, G, I. So D, F, G, I. These elements are left. After that, when you expand along C, this sign of this is a plus sign. Then you can C sign, and first row, according to the first row and third column will be hide. Then what is left here? D, E, G, H. G, H. After that you will calculate and you will find the correct exact answer, the correct answer of this. The noun A. E, I multiply N, H, F minus B, D, I minus G, F plus C, D, H minus E, G. When you calculate this and you subtract and addition, after calculation you get there a definite answer, of this matrix. The determinant value of this matrix here, when you calculate this portion, it will give definite value. Yes, according to this way, suppose you are expand along R2, you will write along to R2 according this way. Then you can say you will get the same answer of this. Suppose you are expand along R3, along R3, then you will get the same answer of the year. Suppose you expand your C1, so you will get the same answer of this. Suppose you expand your C2, then you will get the same answer of this. Suppose you expand of the C3, then you will get the same answer here. So according to you expand any one, then you will get the value of the determinant. Then you will get the value of the determinant. Now I will give you one example. You first now take the screenshot. Yes, student, I will take the simple example for you how to find out the determinant value of B. Suppose any determinant given here, del 2, 4, minus 3, 2, 4, minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 and this is a minus 5. Not minus 3, this one is a minus 5. So how to find out determinant value of this? So then first of all you will multiply here 2 1 are 2, 2 into minus 1 and 5, 4 into minus 5. So minus 2 minus here plus 5 4 are 20. This is the 18 answer. This is the definite value of this. This is the answer of this matrix. This determinant. Sorry. The fixed value of the determinant value of this 18. Suppose you have the matrix in the 3 into 3 order, then how to find out this? Just note down this, then I will take this next example. Yes, student. How to find out determinant value of the only 3 into 3 order of matrix? So now look here. I am taking question number 5 from NCERT book. Evaluate the determinant. Evaluate. Evaluate of determinants. So suppose first part is given. Let del equal, I am direct writing the determinant from 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 and 0. Now look here. I will discuss here. Suppose you are expand R1 answer, what answer you get? Suppose you expand R2, what answer you get? Suppose you expand R3, what answer you get? So now, first of all, you will write here expanding along R1. You are expanding here only R1. So del equal first along the R1, to keep this sign table in mind here, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Keep this sign table in mind. The first value here 3, you write here 3, then what is this row and this column will be hide here, 0 into 0 0, minus minus plus again minus 5, so 0 minus plus 5. First here, first row or first column will be hide here, 0 into 0 0 and minus minus plus, otherwise you can write here in this form 0 minus 1 minus 5 and 0. Second you write here minus 1, one minus sign from the table this sign, or 1 minus value of this, then minus minus 1. After that first row or second column will be hide here. What is left? 0 minus 1 3 0. Means when you taking this element, the first row or second column will be hide here. What is left? 0 minus 1 3 and 0 is left right here. After that third C2 A1 3, this sign or a plus sign here, then you write here plus sign, then minus 2, and first row and third column will be behind 0 0 and 3 minus 5. After that you will expand here, expand this 0 into 0 0 and minus minus plus 1 minus is sign here, then you will add 0 minus 5, minus minus here plus 1, then same thing here 0 minus minus plus is 3, same plus minus is minus, and 0 minus 0. So what is left here? Minus 15, yeah, plus 3 and 0. So then you get here minus 12. So your determined value of the minus 12. This is your answer. This one is your answer. So when you are expanding R1, then you get the minus 12. Suppose you are expanding your R3. Suppose you are expanding R3. What answer you get here? Suppose you are expanding R3, then what answer you get here? Now check this. According to R3, value of the del 3, this row and this column will be hide here. This row and this column will be hide here. But minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1. In this way, second minus, this second you have minus sign here, then you can write a minus 5. This minus sign from table or this minus sign from the according to this sign table. Then third row and second column will be hide here, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 0 minus 1. This row and this column will be had 3 minus 2 or 0 minus 1. After that you will write here 0, plus sign here 0, and what will come here? This row and this column will be had 3 minus 1 and 0 0. So now you calculate this. Now you calculate this part here. To minus minus plus, and this portion will be 0. So what will come here? 3 1 minus 0, then minus minus here plus 5 and minus 3 minus 0, or this portion here 0 minus 0. What will become? 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, plus minus 5, 5 3 ja 15, and answer you get here minus 12. So same answer you get here minus 12. So now you check this. When you expanding R1, you get answer minus 12. When you expanding here R3, then you also get your minus 12. So both the answer is same. Both the answer is same. So suppose you are expanding C1, C2, C3, then you will get answer here minus 12. Answer will never change. You expand any row, any column here. Yes, note down. Then next. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 3rd here. This is a different type question. Question number 3rd here. Suppose if a matrix given in this form 2 into 2 order matrix here 1 2 4 2, 1 2 4 2, and then so that we determine 2a equal 4a determinant. So now look here, how to solve in this type question. Here then so that this the left hand RHS equal to RHS or not. So first you have the one theorem here. This shortcut tricks of for solving. Then we will solve the detail. Suppose any matrix, suppose given 2 3 4 any k. Suppose you write the k a any determinant. You can write a k exponent n and determine value of the n. What is the n here? N is the order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix? So this is the theorem of this. The k determinant of the k equal to k. What is the meaning of the k here? K is the any scalar number here. K is the any scalar number here, A is the any matrix here, equal to what is the value of this determinant here? The K exponent n. What is the n here? N is the order of the matrix. So means K, what is the K here? K is the scalar number. Scalar, multiple scalar number. Next, what is the n here? N is the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. So then you can shortcut tricks of the find of the this value. So now look here. First of all, you will multiply the 2 in the any matrix here. So now, according to matrix rule, when you multiply here 2, so 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 2 2 is 4. This is the matrix here. After that, you will be find out the determinant value of the 2a. Then value of determinant 2 4 8 4. What will you get here? 2 4 8 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8 minus 8 4 is 32. So you get here 12 minus 8 4. So minus 24. So you get here value of 2 here 24. This is the value of the LHS. LHS side. This one is the LHS side. After that, we will check your RHS here. Now, first of all, you find the determinant value of the A. You will write the what is the determinant of the A. So this is the matrix. You convert the determinant form A2 4 2. This matrix converting the determinant form here. So what value of determinant A here? This will 2 1 is 2 and 4 2 is 8. This is the minus 6. The value of determinant is minus 6. What is the RHS side here? RHS side here 4 determinant value of the A. When you check the minus 6 here, so here minus 24. So LHS equal to RHS. You can say here कि LHS equal to RHS. Proved. This one is the proof that here. So what value of the RHS side? Determinant of 2a. Determinant of a is minus 24. What value of the RHS is? 4 into determinant a. The 4 into determinant a equal to minus 24. Both the answer here same. LHS and RHS both the answer is same. Then you can prove that these things. Second things, you can apply this theorem also here. Then you can get the easily answer. Just note down the next.